Okay, this is Estrada Lou Lim Ieok, and we're going to be going down that way a little bit. I'll show you all about it in a minute. We're kind of up in the mountain side a little tiny bit, as you can see from those mountains over there. Those anyways, be right back. Show you all that and a lot more. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's just kind of take a look here. So you can see what's around us. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to not get hit by that speeding car, and we're gonna go directly into that way. They've got a crosswalk right there. It's kind of weird. I don't know what that is. But we're going down Estrada Lou Lim Ieok, and you can see this waterway, not waterway, but this valley thing or something. So you could go all the way down that way, of course, but actually we're gonna go around a different way. I've always thought that was kind of cool because there's this big thing right there. So if there's a fire in one building, you can escape to the other one. Some nice balconies on this building too. Wow, it's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna walk this way a little bit, and I kind of want to show you. This is kind of a weird little thing in here. Don't fully understand it. It's like this house that's set up right there. But we're gonna be walking to this one right here. And this is kind of interesting because this has this thing that goes way down, and I'll show you, you'll be surprised. Well, let's start that spot right there. A little bit in the road here. Let's just kind of show you what's behind me. Let's just kind of go like that. This looks like it's kind of blocks the trees and foliage from falling into the street. There we go, that one's going kind of slow. I think they need to slow people down, so they have this speed bumps here. And that's what we're overlooking right there. And we're gonna be going down this little elevator in a second, which is kind of interesting. And we also have this building. We're gonna get a different view of this in a minute as well. That's, okay, now I think I know why we have to slow them down, because some people cross to get over here, which is what I'm doing right now. Look at that giant building. Massive. Okay, so we're gonna sneak through here. The Jockey Club station, so we can get to the train line from here. So we got the Street of the View, Estrada Lou Lim Ieok, and then the Governor. There's another road right here. And this is where it gets kind of cool. So we're gonna walk to this elevator. And let me just kind of show you what the side looks like now. It's totally different, right? It's way cooler now. Then this one also goes down like that as well. But you can also see this building right now, this way. Let's see what's this? An apartment, 12,800. Okay. I got a nice rooftop right there. It's kind of cool as well. Oh, look at that building. That one also looks kind of interesting too. So, yeah, and all these buildings are up on the side of the mountain right there as well. So they kind of got some cool things. Kind of a mountain of apartments right there, right? Amazing. Then this one, like that one's way higher and way lower as well. So anyways, I think we're just gonna push this one over here. $15, what's that mean? Okay, so let's look in this one, then we're gonna take the elevator all the way down. And then we'll show you. You can also take the stairwell as well. Got a little view, so that's the train line right over there. Yeah, it's beautiful. Amazing. Okay, let's head on down. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's no window in here? I guess not. These are in all the elevators all across Macau, especially all the city ones. Kind of interesting. Sometimes each elevator has its own little system, right? So that security, no smoking. It looks like we're here, so didn't take long. We're gonna come out right in here. Now we can look up like that. And look up like that. So yeah, all those people that are way up there have access to the jockey club over here. So they're doing some construction as well. Who would they see you? I think it was in French. Who would they see? Oh, okay. Cool, they're doing all this construction here. So this was where we were just at, is right up there. And then we have this whole building right here, and that's the jockey club train line. So I guess we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.